Hey there guys, it's Farah. Welcome to my channel. So it is Monday morning, October the 6th, and I woke up, everybody just got up like a half hour ago. Since I have made my bed, which you guys, seriously, if I don't get my bed made, I feel so unorganized throughout the day. I have to get my bed made, and that just really motivates me to continue the rest of my day productively. I have also just thrown in a load of laundry, and then I unloaded my dishwasher. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, and the kids are all bugging me right now for breakfast. So I'm gonna get breakfast going, and then we'll just go on from there, and we'll just make it a day in the life. So let's get breakfast going. And if you guys haven't noticed, I have no makeup on whatsoever. I haven't showered or anything. I'm just looking like a mama of 7, and hopefully you guys are okay with that. So yeah, we're gonna figure out what to make everybody for breakfast. Usually I make Jacob egg, bagel, and cheese breakfast sandwiches in the morning, which is probably what I'll be doing right now, and then the others will probably be having like cereal and maybe some oatmeal, and then I will be having my smoothie. Marshall, are we getting you your baba? Huh? You want a baba? You want a baba? Yeah, this means he wants his baba. Yeah, okay, let's get your baba. Let's get your baba.
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, let's get your baba. Wally, what are we gonna make you for breakfast?
Did you put your toaster there?
Do you want cereal or oatmeal?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal? All right. All right, this little boy's demanding for his bottle right now. Naughty. Naughty.
Cranberry.
Naughty.
And cranberries.
Oh, you want cranberries in your oatmeal then? Mary, what do you want?
You're probably gonna say no, Dad.
These girls took out some of my fall decorations, and they decorated while I was gone the other day. Because you guys, I just have not been motivated at all to decorate. So I actually really appreciated that they did that. I plan on going to Hobby Lobby and buying a few things, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. And I do still plan on it eventually. In fact, Jake and I may go to Joplin tomorrow and possibly Friday. Naomi is having a birthday on the, ooh, it's dark over here, on the 11th, her birthday is the 8th, October the 8th. But we'll be celebrating it on Sunday the 11th, and so I will be picking up her cake probably on Friday. Okay guys, so this is Gabriel's oatmeal. I just added some water, hot water, some cranberries, some brown sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon. He will not let me add any cream or butter. He hates, Wally is not a dairy, he just doesn't care for dairy unless it's cheese on pizza. This is Joseph's breakfast. It's, go ahead, take it. It's just Cheerios with, I drizzled some honey, and then I put a little bit of cinnamon and sugar over the top. So Naomi and Abe are having Pop-Tarts this morning. What are you guys playing down there?
Dominoes.
Are you playing too? Marshall, are you playing dominoes? This little guy's been talking a lot. He's been saying what? If he gets in trouble, he says, what?
No.
What did I do?
No.
Yeah. He's naughty, aren't you? Marshall, you're naughty. Marshall. Marshall. What is that? Yeah. Okay, Sue, what are you having for breakfast? Cereal? All right, let's get that cereal. Is that oatmeal pretty good, Gabriel? Yes. Is that good? How's that cereal, Joe? How's the cereal? Good? How about you, Naomi? How's your Pop-Tart? Good. So Judah also wanted Cheerios with cranberries and some honey drizzled over the top. Is that good, Sue? Hey guys, so this is Jacob's breakfast. It's just 2 frozen waffles with some butter, a ton of peanut butter, and some syrup. Jacob loves peanut butter, y'all. Okay guys, so my smoothie consists of pineapple, bananas, mango, and dragon fruit. I always add my Gut Connect 365. It is L-glutamine and it is essential for a healthy gut lining. I always add a tablespoon of nutritional flakes. Nutritional flakes are full of B vitamins. I always add like a tablespoon of coconut MCT oil and then orange juice. And then I usually drizzle it with a little bit of honey. Yum.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
What do you want? I said, can you say hi? What are you hungry for? What do you want to eat? Do you want a Pop-Tart? Pop-Tart? Well, go show me what you want. Let's go see what you want. Well, it's tough being a baby not being able to talk, isn't it? Darn it. What are we having? Oh, we want a baba. Another baba? All right. Hey, you come get your own bottle. Come get your baba. I'm going to put it down right here. You come and get your own bottle. That's what I thought. What do I look like, huh? What do I look like? Little stinker. Okay, guys, so everybody wants peanut butter and jelly, per usual, except for the baby. He's drinking his bottle right now. But usually he will drink a bottle, and then I'll make him like half a peanut butter and butter sandwich, or I'll just give him some chips or crackers to snack on. would bring you guys outside with me. It is the most exquisitely gorgeous day, you guys. It's like 75 degrees, slight breeze, clear blue skies. It is gorgeous. As you guys can see, it is just beautiful. And I've got some trash that needs to be taken out. And I've got to walk all the way down there to get to my trash cans. And so I figured I'd just take the baby for his daily walk at the same time, because it is just, who wants to be in the house, right? But I still, you guys, it's going on 5 o'clock and I have yet to put on any makeup. And you know what? I'm not ashamed. I am happy and proud not to be wearing makeup. I feel good. We don't always have to put on makeup, ladies. Okay, so you guys are not gonna believe what just happened. I go down to the end of the drive to take the trash out, and the baby was standing over a drain area, and it's kind of dangerous, so I ran over there. He likes to throw rocks into the water, and so I ran over there to grab him, just to support him and just to make sure that he doesn't fall over. He goes to throw a rock and knocks my phone right out of my hand and into the water. You guys, I just stood there and I just didn't even know what to do, what to say. I couldn't get down in there, so I come back, I tell Jake. You guys, luckily my phone was like, it didn't submerge completely. Like the bottom part where the battery is, was outside of the water. And I'm using it, you guys. It's still, like, I cannot believe that it didn't get fried, you guys. I cannot believe that that I am actually on my phone right now. I cannot believe it. But oh my gosh, thank you God. I paid a lot for this phone, and I've got a lot of storage and, you know, my memory card and everything in this phone. So thank you God for saving my phone. Oh my goodness. Oh. Man, it is tough being a mama. Let me tell you, you guys, it is so frustrating. Gotta love my toddler, right, y'all? Oh, little Marshall. Anyway, so now I am gonna go ahead and go in and I'm gonna get dinner prepared. I'm thinking we have a lot of leftover spaghetti, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna make that for the kids, and then Keith and I and maybe Jacob will have leftovers from our pre-Thanksgiving dinner. So let's head on in. What happened? Oh my goodness, you guys. Hey there, little pumpkin head.
Maybe Dad's gonna fix it. No?
Well, that wagon's pretty old, so it's about time to get a new one anyway. Watch out, Abe. Heads up.
I want a wagon for my birthday.
Woo! That was fun. Oh my goodness, what did you guys do? You broke it?
Dada has to fix it. Dada has to.
Oh, I see it. How did you break the wagon?
Dada has to fix it.
Daddy has to fix it? What are you doing, Joe? No, don't play with it anymore. It needs to be trashed. Okay, that's dangerous. Whee! Jump on! You gonna let it down? Let it go.
We're going to bumpy part.
All right, let it go. Watch out, Abe. Marshall, watch out. Whee! Step on. Step on. Step on. Oh, that was cool, Joe. Go ahead, do it again, Joe. Yeah, do it again.
I'll do it
Ellie, go. Let's see you. Do it, Joshy.
I didn't say shoot, I said shoot.
Whee! Spread Parmesan cheese all over the top. Just to make it a little more interesting to the picky eaters. These are gluten-free chicken nuggets, and he loves to dip them in some ketchup. Here you go. Come here, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, you little stinker. Come on. Jacob's just having some spaghetti, a couple of Gabriel's gluten-free nuggets, and then a couple hot wings. So far, right, Jake? Mm-hmm. He may have seconds, who knows? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the man of the house is home, and he is having some leftover mashed potatoes and some hot wings. Enjoy, Mr. Pano.
Yay.
Hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell. Head over to Instagram and follow me under supermom of7. Check out my website at fairandorganized.com, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Bye.